Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about the 13th letter of the alphabet, that is letter M. So let's start. M for map. M-A-P, map. M for monster. M-O-N-S-T-E-R, monster. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M for mailbox. M-A-I-L-B-O-X, mailbox. M for Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. M for meat. M-E-A-T, meat. M for mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. M for mad. M-A-D, mad. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M for moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M for mask. M-A-S-K, mask. M for magnet. M-A-G-N-E-T, magnet. M for mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M for mop. M-O-P, mop. M for man. M-A-N, man. M for milk. M-I-L-K, milk. M for money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. M for mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M for moose. M-O-O-S-E, moose. Thank you and goodbye.